Your plastic trim pieces in your Ford truck look like this. Completely faded out, and white and chalky. That handle and the door handle are two very common things that fade out. These things do too, but today I'm going to show you how to fix these properly with solution finish. I'm going to show you the passenger side that I've already done. That looked much better, and it's going to be way more durable. All right, so let me show you how we do it. I'm a professional, and so my results have to last because I'm charging clients for this. And so just your Armor All or cheap dressings will not work on this long term. So let me get the camera set up and I'll show you how we can make these look good again. So first is to mask off this area down here. That's for obvious reasons. You don't want to get black all over here. And this old faded plastics will absorb paint so fast. So mask that off. Next, gloves. Protect your fingers from this black. Next, we need to prep this plastic. So I use Optimus Paint Prep because it's light and it evaporates quickly. Get your Costco microfiber towel, spray it on there, and thoroughly just scrub on this guy. Okay, and then off camera, I'm going to do the handle down here too real quick. I'm not going to move the camera just for that. You get the idea. Okay. All right. Scrub on it. You're getting it clean, and you're pulling off any oils and things like that. You know, think of it. You've been putting your hand on here a lot. Those plastics absorb your oils from your hands. Oils will not adhere to paint, and vice versa. Okay, so that's done. Now it needs to dry all the way, thoroughly, and through the magic of having a shop with some compressed air, solution finish. Now you will not need to buy one of these great big bottles. I recommend the little 2-ounce ones because this will last like 17 lifetimes. People use way too much product here. So don't sleep on how I'm doing this. If you want it to last and you don't want black getting on your fingers later, okay? Take your Costco microfiber towel. Okay. Your product. You do not need much. I'm actually gonna do the bottom first. Okay. So see, I just almost just wiped off the cap here. And then rub it on there. Okay. Now, careful, right? And you'll see where you're going. It's kind of satisfying to watch this turn color, turn black. The issue is if you use too much, and you'll want to use too much because you think, well, more is better. It's going to soak in and last longer and give a nice hard shell to last. That's not what happens. Think of this as just a dye that just sits on the surface. And then the next step is critical too. So stay tuned for that. But get in all the little spots here. Okay, seeing this transform right before your eyes. Again, very satisfying to do this. Now you notice how many times I've reloaded my towel? None. that one little bit, just the amount that was on here. Looks like it's probably going to be enough to do the whole part. I'm getting in all the cracks. I might have to get some more on my towel right there. Right on the insides, not... Okay, so I'm going to add just the smallest amount here. Nope, I didn't do it. There we go. Okay. Get it from all angles. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's the first step. Now we're going to let that sit about 2 minutes to dry, and then we're going to buff off the excess. Okay. Super important step. You'd be tempted to just leave it like this and dry. It looks great, you know, but don't. Okay. We've waited enough time. See, that looks fantastic. Right? That looks really good. But we're not done. Take your fresh, clean Costco microfiber towel and buff on this thing. You will not smear it. You will not leave streaks in it or anything else that you might kind of think. You know, you go, oh, if I do this, I'm going to rub all the paint off I just put on. That's not the way it works. Okay, so get in there and see just that extra. That's perfect. That's exactly what you're looking for. It's exactly what you want. That's getting rid of the excess. And we have not, you know, we haven't degraded the look of that at all. We've sped up the drying process, and we've ensured that after it's dry, it'll dry quicker. And then when you put your hands on it, it's not going to get back onto your hands. See that staining on my glove? Okay, so we're gonna get all this stuff here. Okay, and then the same thing down here. Yeah, see, that's perfect. That's what you want. You want just a little bit up here. Okay, and you're done. Now, you can wait a few hours and recoat it again if you need to. If you do see spots you've missed, or, you know, but I mean, yours, this is about as bad as I've seen, how chalky and white these were. So you could redo it if you wanted. That's not really going to help you with longevity. Okay, we're done. This customer will be thrilled. And then we did the same thing over there on the other side. And there you go.